Hey, it's Jonas from Boat Rebuild. In this video, I'm going to show you how I replace the water pump, the impeller on the Alpha 1 Gen 1 Outdrive. I have a brand new one here. This has obviously been taken apart already. I have the other piece lying out here. But I'm not going to show you how to take it apart, but just how to change the pump on this unit. So let me get my camera set up and let's get to it. All right, so let's start by cleaning this shaft up. From the seal on up, we have to clean. Has to be nice and smooth. I'm just gonna use some fine sandpaper, just go over it lightly. It's mostly dirt on this one. All right, that's looking pretty good. There's a little bit down here. All right, next let's remove the water tube. It just pulls out. Set that to the side. And now, remove this seal. This one is in bad shape. Cracked. Just pull it up. Wow. Bad shape. Okay. And now, the wrenches we'll need is a 1/2 inch for this knot right here. And 7/16 are the other 3. But I noticed I can't get my socket over that one because it's too close to the edge. We're going to use a wrench here. Loosen this one, 7/16. Take off these washers so we don't lose them. The one thing you want to be really careful about when you separate the upper from the lower from the upper is on this side, the O-ring for the oil. I want to be careful you don't lose that. There's a new one in my kit, so we're going to definitely replace that, but that O-ring is very important. So don't lose that, or don't forget to put the new one in when you reassemble it. All right, let's see if we can get this apart. Might need to get a couple screwdrivers. It is separating, but it seems to be stuck a little bit yet. Let me get a couple screwdrivers. Okay, let's try this. One in here, one in here. Go one on each side. There we go. The impeller wanted to stay on the shaft, that's why. Yeah. There we go. Got him. Now let's make sure we do not forget or lose which way that was turned. In fact, I think what I'm going to do is get the new pump and put my new impeller in it right away and turn it the right way. We get a little bit of grease, put a little bit of grease on the inside here or on the impeller, and it'll go in a little easier. Just like that. All right, let's take out the bottom piece. Let's see if this gasket comes off easily. It appears it might want to. I believe we got a new one in there for this. Oh, there's our key. Do not lose the key. Forgot about that guy. Goes on the side of the shaft right here. It holds the impeller. There we go. Take him off separately. And just lay him to the side. Let's see if we can get the bottom part out. That moves, but the other side does not want to move. There we go. Hopefully you don't break it. As you can see, the bottom piece has this lip that goes down around the shaft. It's my guess that it's stuck down in there. Keep prying and see if we can get it out of there. Yeah, there we go. I think it's coming. Now, if you're not replacing the whole pump unit, then you probably wouldn't have to do this. There we go. But I am. If you're only replacing the seals, I would assume you could have possibly left this down in there. There's a gasket on there. There's a O-ring around that. That's what was tight. Bearings are looking good. Let's clean that out a little bit and put the new one in. Put that O-ring on there. Okay, put the new one on. Make sure. There we go. Sure the gasket is in place. Slide it down in there. All right. Now we got the metal plate and 2 gaskets on the outside. And that was turned that way. So just like that. Put the key into place. Put it on the top side here. Get our new impeller in there. And see, it'll be turned this way. So I'm going to turn it to where my slot is turned towards the keyway. That would be that way. There we go. So, put the washer back on. Working this time. Use the socket. I'm assuming you don't want to tighten these down too hard, because this one definitely is turning into plastic or whatever this is made of. Looks like plastic. So don't tighten this too hard. These you want to make good and snug, but not too extreme either. I'm sure there's probably a torque recommendation for these, but I don't know what it is, and I'm just gonna make a good guess and make them good and snug, but not extreme. All right, there we are. Put our new rubber. Got a brand new rubber in our kit for this side of the shaft. Oops, flipped it. There we go. Stay right side up, buddy. Go down all the way. There we go. And let me double check this. Yeah, that's about right. Now I think we're good to go. I have my tiny little O-ring here for my oil over here. I think we're going to change that too while we're at it. Old one doesn't look that bad, but always a good idea to change it. Just press her down in there. And when you reattach the lower to the upper, just make sure it stays in there and you don't lose it, because that's very important. Make sure this fits. Oh yeah. There's a new seal down in here to tighten this. And put that in there and we're good to go. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'm also going to put this video on YouTube as well as on my blog, so wherever you're seeing it, you'll find the description over on the blog written out as well. So, and as well as where you can buy this kit. I'll put the link there. It's probably Amazon or eBay or somewhere. Put the link on the blog or in the YouTube description where you can get this entire kit. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.